Poultry immersion chillers, the purpose of them is to cool the products, typically being turkeys or chickens, down to a desirable temperature. As they're coming off of the visceration line, they have a very high body temperature of over 90 degrees. So the sooner that these birds are cooled down, the easier it is for these companies to process and the safer it is for the consumer. Some of our parts might get up to dimensions of 64 by 60 inches long, and we might go down to a part size of 4 by 4 inches, anything in between. When we were selecting a finishing machine, we knew we wanted to include those larger parts. 42 series was large enough for us to include not only our smallest part, but our largest part. Our manufacturing process starts with the purchase of raw material. And that raw material is then sent through our fiber laser, where it's processed into various shapes and sizes. From there, the same operator that's running the laser will run the 42 series Timesavers machine. He will run those parts through. From there, after it leaves the Timesavers, it goes to the press brake, it goes to roll forming, whatever post finishing process is needed. And once it leaves our sheet metal area, it goes to secondary cells, where it is then fit up, tacked together, and welded out into sub-assembly components. Those sub-assembly components will then be final assembled to make up the full machine. We do in-house testing, where we test the precision, the tolerances, and the fit up of the machine to make sure that it's operating optimally for the customer. Once the product has been finalized here at the Morris factory, it is then shipped to our customers, where it is installed by our service department. From there, it is put into production. Since the implementation of all of our manufacturing equipment and the 42 series Timesavers machine, we've seen a significant improvement. We have a more consistent finish. We have less rework and less downtime. Been able to decrease our overall lead time for sub-assembled parts. Overall, our efficiency has increased 5 to 10 times.